This is slurry from the last video that we compacted and saved. And I'm going to reuse it in this video, or I'll add to this batch. And what I'm doing is I'm putting it into the blender because it needs to be finer than the first batch. You can't put too much in because this expands a lot. After your slurry is blended, you pour it into your vat of water. That's it. You agitate the water to suspend the slurry. Then you dip your block and decal in to pull a piece of paper. I set it aside for a minute to let it drain. After it's drained a minute, you can remove the deco from the block. To release the paper from the block, I turn it over onto a smooth surface and use a sponge or a chamois to sop up the excess water. Using a dry towel, I carefully roll over the paper, taking out any more excess water. This also takes air bubbles out of it and flattens it.